Hey guys, so right here I'm just priming my eyelid and I'm using Juvia's Place Concealer in the shade 16. So after blending that out, I'm going to go in with my Airspun loose face powder and just press that all over the lid. So here I'm going in with my Snow Queen Amorusa eyeshadow palette in the shade Blizzard, and you'll see me just pressing the shade into my crease, and I'm not touching the lid. And then you'll start to see me kind of blending it out instead of just pressing it into my crease, like right here. So next I'm going to take my Morphe Dare to Create 39A eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking a darker shade of blue just to and blending that in with the other blue just to deepen it, deepen the crease up. So then guys, I'm going to go back in with the other palette and use a lighter shade of blue. It's called Water Horse, just to blend out the edges. So now guys, I am going to cut my crease using Juvia's Place in the shade 16. So then I'm going to go back in with that darker blue and blend out the end of the cut crease, just to make it a little darker at the end. Then I'm gonna go in with the shade Wind. It's like a shimmery blue kind of color. I'm gonna put that in the middle of my cut crease just to bring some shimmer to it. The next shade I'm using is called Snow Kingdom. It's like a white shimmer, and I'm packing that all into the front of my cut crease. And here I'm just working on blending the two shades together. yeah, first I go in with the brush and then I go in with my finger because it was just easier to blend with my finger. And then right here I'm taking that darker blue again, and just to deepen up the outer part of my crease. Okay, y'all, now I'm going to put eyeliner on, and yeah, I'm gonna put my eyeliner on and I'll be back. So guys, I went ahead and put on my lashes as well, and now we're gonna go ahead and start with the face makeup. LA Girl Pro Prep Primer. And then I'm going to take my NYX jelly primer. And then I'm going to take my 330 Maybelline Fit Me foundation in Toffee. To take my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. Okay, next we are going to take the same thing but in a different shade. Mocha NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop as contour. Bake with my Airspun loose face powder. Well, not bake, but like, you know, press the powder into my skin. going to deepen up the contour with my True to Complexion contour palette in this shade. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I don't like that. Let's try to like darken it a bit. Oh my god. That's enough. I don't like it. I mean, I like it, but I hate doing it. I feel like I added too much of the under eye shadow. Whatever. Okay. Anyways, we gonna go in with highlighter because you know it's my fave. You know what I'm saying? Let's get to the lips. And we're gonna go with the all-time fave. So this is the finishing look. Let me know how you feel about it. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and you know, yeah, just tell me what you think. I like it. It's different for me, I guess, but you know what I'm saying, like, I think it came out really nice. I feel like I'm finna go to like a holiday dinner or something. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you for tuning in. You know, keep tuning in every time I post. More videos coming soon. And yeah, let's get into this look. Call it Winter Wonderland because it's giving me very icy vibes. So yeah. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.